This is Jupiter's moon Ganymede. Here's a higher quality image of the other side. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. In fact, our own moon is less than half the size of Ganymede. This great size is partially responsible for Ganymede being the only moon in our solar system with a substantial magnetosphere. This magnetosphere exists as a result of the moon's sizable iron core. The magnetosphere is affected by a vast salt ocean beneath an icy crust far below the negative 163 degrees Celsius surface. This highly conductive ocean affects Jupiter's magnetosphere by dampening its effects on Ganymede's. This allows the magnetosphere to be much more consistent on Ganymede. Many have even speculated that this ocean might even contain life. Like nearly all moons in our solar system, Ganymede's rotational and orbital period match perfectly. This means that they are tidally locked. Tidal forces between two bodies occur when the gravitational force is stronger on one part of a body than another. This causes the moon to slowly accelerate over millions of years so that the tidal forces may be equal to each other. This is why nearly every moon in our solar system always has a side that always faces its planet. Now you may be wondering why this photo of the day looks so terrible. Well, that's because it was taken by the Galileo probe more than 20 years ago. This probe is actually what discovered most of what we know about Ganymede, which is very interesting. The probe's primary mission was to study Jupiter and its many moons. The probe became the first spacecraft to visit an asteroid and provided the only direct observations of a comet colliding with a planet. As you can see, Ganymede has two types of surface terrain. The darker areas are older and heavily cratered, while the lighter regions are newer and caused by moonquakes or the release of water from beneath the crust. Ganymede was discovered in 1610 by Galileo and became the first moon to be observed aside from our own. This was significant as it provided great evidence for the heliocentric model of the universe. In conclusion, I believe that Ganymede is the most unique and interesting moon of our solar system, and that concludes my presentation.